Hey, and welcome. If you are here right now, I'm guessing you're shopping for that special lawn fanatic in your life. Well, that is awesome because I have a few options in this video for you to choose from. So without further delay, let's jump right into the video. Okay, let's kick the list off with something that I consider to be really super fun. I'm talking lawn swag. We in the lawn community love our swag, and you can find things like hats, cups, shirts, stickers, and so much more. Now, I may be a little bit biased here, but I'm gonna say you should start at the Girls Lawn shop. And don't let the name fool you, the merchandise I have is suitable for men and women alike. But along with my shop, you can find more awesome swag from other big lawn influencers on their individual sites. Hey, we are proud of our passion and we love expressing it through the swag. Some of my favorites include the We Workin' Shop, GCI Turf Academy, Yard Mastery, Ryan Knorr, and a new kid on the block that I think is worth supporting, Happy Mo Clothing. You cannot go wrong with swag, so get them some swag. Okay folks, I'm switching gears here a little bit. The next recommendation is along the lines of safety. Although these may not be the most exciting gifts, they are definitely gifts that say I love you. My recommendation is to put a few of these items into a gift basket or use them as stocking stuffers. Let's scoot on over to the next item. Shoes. Shoes are a great gift for almost anyone. I consider a good pair of work shoes a must-have. Prior to getting a good pair of shoes, my feet suffered after every session in the lawn. I was eventually gifted a great pair of Cujo shoes, and now I have happy feet. The right footwear definitely makes a difference. This is a highly recommended gift. Okay, now this would be a great gift to receive, a spreader. The first thing I want you to pay attention to when you buy those spreaders is gonna be the tires. Make sure they're not plastic tires and that they are pneumatic tires like these. Now what these tires do, it just makes the job easier, pushing it through the turf, as well as more enjoyable, and that is what we're looking for. So I have two spreaders here to show you. I have this one from Lawn Box, and I have this Echo RB60, which is a popular one in the community. What I like about this one is that it has this release lever that opens and shuts the shutter in there. And it also has a flap so that you can direct the fertilizer or whatever you have in there much better. Now, I like this one a lot. The tires are a little bit bigger on this. I like it a lot, but you can make a lot of mistakes with this. You want to get this one for someone who's been doing it for a while. For a beginner, you're going to want this release mechanism on it, trust me. This one, once you put this lever down, everything goes out. So you have to push really quickly. You can't just stand. And what happens is you take the risk of dropping a bunch of product in one spot and burning that area. So if you're dealing with someone who's been doing this for a while, they probably know how to use this, and this is a good option. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have the flap on it, so my preference is actually this one. If I'm spreading seed or something, then I'm cool with using this one. But with fertilizer, I want to be safe, so I use this one so that I have more control over when that product is dropping down. So here you are, a couple of good options for a spreader. I think anyone would appreciate a gift like this. Now, since joining the lawn community, I have had one major struggle that's documented well on my channel, and that has been sprayers. The first lesson I learned is that you need a battery backpack sprayer. Do not get your loved one a pump sprayer. Don't do it. So with that said, let's take a look at the options for a battery backpack sprayer. So we're going to start off here with a 2-gallon sprayer. This one here is from Petra Tools. I use this for spot spraying, and it's a very good sprayer for 2 gallons. It's not heavy. I'm a smaller person, so it works out well. It has a little sling on it that I can just carry around with me, like that sprayer. Then we move on to the 3-gallon sprayer, battery backpack sprayer. Yes, I'm going to emphasize that because I don't want you to forget that. This here actually is my favorite. This is from Chemo Tools, and it's a 3-gallon backpack sprayer. Now, I'm a smaller person, And 3 gallons is perfect for me and the size of my yard, which is something you're gonna have to consider when you're picking out a sprayer, if you're gonna get this as a gift. My yard is just under 6,000 square feet, so I can fill this puppy up twice and have it done. I love this sprayer. I've never had any problems with it. I actually have a 4-gallon sprayer, and this one is from Yard Mastery. Now, I use this on my client lawns. I don't use it on my lawn because this one is sufficient for what I need. So here you have the Yard Mastery 4-gallon, you have the Chemo Tools 3-gallon, and you have the Petra Tools 2-gallon sprayer. So you're gonna benefit here from all of my trials and tribulations, learn from my mistakes, pick out the right one based on the situation. Now, there is one other sprayer that I wanna bring to your attention. It's a hose-in sprayer. That should also be in the arsenal. And this one here is actually the one that I recommend, which is the Chameleon hose-in sprayer. It just works better for me. You'll see one out there called the Ortho hose-in sprayer. Lots of people use it, lots of people love it. I, not so much. I went through literally 8 of those and couldn't get it to work right. Came across this, haven't had an issue. That is my next recommendation for a great gift, a battery backpack sprayer. Since becoming an active member of the lawn community, I have heard so many complaints about string trimmers. Having the right trimmer is definitely going to be very important. And it's a great gift. There are lots out there that you can choose from. I actually have 3. I have the Ego, I have the Greenworks, and I have this little puppy here called the Works. Now, I finally found which one works better for me, and it's going to be this little thing. The Works works better for me because I'm smaller. It's very adjustable. The Ego is a very powerful trimmer. Greenworks is also a great trimmer. I'm going to keep that one too. So that's one to consider as well. Look for a really good trimmer. That's going to be an awesome gift for anyone. But like I said, keep in mind your person's size and their needs. So we have reached the end of the list. And last but certainly not least, my final recommendation is a simple gift card. I am the type of person that I would prefer you give me a gift card so that I can purchase what I want. I'm just that person. To me, that's easy, right? The gift cards that I recommend would be Simple Lawn Solutions and Yard Mastery. They will definitely find something on those sites that they like. So with that said, I'm gonna wrap up the video. I'm so glad you stopped in to take a look at these options. These options I tried to pick based on price range. So to give you options based on budget. A huge shout out to the Sisterhood of the Lawn. It's a private Facebook group that I developed to bring in a community of women who love lawn care. You guys rock. It's been fun. I love it. If anyone out there, female of course, interested in joining the group, just go to Facebook, search the Sisterhood of the Lawn and send me a join request. As long as you're female, you'll get in. Sorry guys. Right. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you're able to pick out a gift based on my recommendations. Until next time, take it easy.